guys, if you're here to watch a Stitch Fix unboxing. It is for September, even though technically they like sent this to me at the end of August, and it's been busy. All my friends are getting married this year, and I'm getting married not this year, but I'm trying to plan a wedding for next year and work and just, life. They sometimes say life comes all at once, so that's kind of what I'm dealing with. So I'm going to count this as my September box, even though this is technically my second August box, and they were really nice about letting me just keep extending this until I was able to film this video. Anyways, if you're not aware, this is the Stitch Fix unboxing. So you get paired up with a stylist who sends you 5 items that are personalized to you, and you can either keep them or send them back. There's also an algorithm that will show you a preview, and you can pick your 5 items, or if you don't like any of them, you can be like, try again, stylist, or you can pick some and then have your stylist pick the rest. Anyways, this is the prepaid mailer to send anything I don't like back. And then you also get an envelope that has your invoice. I don't like to look at that. Well, I look at it at the end. So anyways, it also comes with a note from your stylist. So let's go ahead and say what our stylist has to say. So it says, "Hi Amanda, it's time for another fix. I'm so excited to be your stylist again and to add some fun new pieces to your wardrobe. I am so happy you were able to pick 3 pieces from your fix preview, and I hope you love them just as much in person. I added 2 more great pieces to complete this fix. What do you think of the Adele hooded rib sleeve cardigan by Letty and Me? This lightweight cardigan is a perfect top layer for the mild Texas fall season." Ain't that the truth? The Fatuma tie detailed knit dress by Vivi Dakota with Steve Madden is a fun dress that is great for both fall and winter and will look cute with a pair of black booties. Okay, I'm so excited to show you this dress because I'm remembering my Stitch Fix preview. I saw it and I died a little bit. It was so cute. Anyways, please let me know what you think of your fix. Your feedback is important and helps me to get to know more about you and your style. If you have any requests for the next fix, please let me know. Peace and love, Alicia. Okay, I see you, Alicia. Again, I do remember picking the dress, and I maybe remember picking some of these other items. I can tell you for sure what she picked. Let's put it that way. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive on in. I have 2 bundles today, so this is what the first bundle looks like, which might only have the cardigan if I had to guess. So it looks like it is a gray cardigan. It's pretty thin. It has a hood. I like a fun hood. Not gonna lie. The sleeves are ribbed, which I do kind of like a nice ribbed sleeve. It's very flattering, I feel like, for the arms, versus the rest of it is not. It does have pockets on the front, and then it does have a little bit like of that same ribbing material along the edge, but otherwise it just looks like a basic gray cardigan. I don't need it. I do not need it. And that's what I'm just gonna keep telling myself, but we'll try it on, obviously, because we have to. And then here is the second bundle, and that's what this looks like. Let's go ahead and start opening this bad boy up. And the first item on top was a cute little silky floral blouse that I don't need, but looked very cute, and I was having a hard time saying no to. So we'll try it on and see if I can be persuaded to say yes. But it is so cute. It's so just like light, and it's all the things that I love. It's floral. It's just it's perfection. That's what it is. Moving on, I believe this is one of the pieces that my stylist picked out for me. It looks like it is a market and spruce sweater. I hesitate to call it a sweater because I come from Michigan, and this ain't no sweater. I mean, yeah, it has long sleeves. Yeah, it's like made of warm material, but it's very, very, very thin. So if I actually wanted to like go outside and stay warm in this during an actual winter and not like a Texas winter, I would need to do some layering. The sleeves are kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. I do kind of like the sleeves. Otherwise, it's pretty basic. I could be convinced if it were the right price. However, I don't really need any more winter stuff unless it's heckin' cute. Moving on, here's the dress I am so excited to try on. Roxy is sad that she is not in here filming with me. So it does have the tie back. It's not a bark box day, ma'am. I'm sorry, being a parent's hard. Am I right, ladies? Anyways, so just a very cute sweater. I do have the perfect boots to match with it. I'm so excited to try this on and see how it fits. And then lastly, our pair of bootcut jeans. Oh, sorry, my scarf again got a little wild there. So we'll go ahead and give these a try. They say bootcut. These look like flares. And as someone who grew up when flares were very popular, I'm pretty excited about it. The bottoms are kind of interesting because this is how all of my flares, you know, would look after walking around in them all day. But they purposely manufactured that bottom. So we'll see. It does have some cute button details on the front. It does look like it is a high-rise flare, so these could be really fun because I don't think I have any flares anymore. I for sure don't have any high-rise flares, so if flares are coming back, granted, I'm aware this is called a boot cut, but I think this is a flare in disguise. Anyways, we'll go try all of this on. I'll see you guys in just a minute. Okay, so for kicks and giggles, I wouldn't normally wear this cardigan with this top, and I'm not sure if I would wear this top with these jeans, but for this video, I decided to try and pair all three. So we'll talk about the cardigan first. I do like it. I don't need it. I already have a cardigan very similar to this that I got in, I don't know, some FabFitFun at some point over the course of the past couple of years. I do like the hood. The hood is a cute touch. I will say my other cardigan that's similar to this does not have a hood. So either way, it's probably going to get returned, but she cute. She okay. Not my favorite. Now, moving on, let's talk about this top because there's another detail that I didn't catch during the unboxing portion, and that was you can actually kind of tie these up like a bow, and depending on how you like your bow, so I just kind of did like a loose bow. So I do really like this top. Again, it hits all of the marks for me. However, I am a little concerned that it's not going to work with my skin tone, and maybe just because it's really, really bright right here. Maybe if I back up and of course correct a little bit, I just feel like this color is not super flattering. And I don't really need it. Not gonna lie, she's cute. I don't really need it though. So I'll have to think about the top. And again, I'm still working with this farmer's tan situation. That's probably just going to be an inevitability of for the rest of my life, as long as I'm working an outside job. But I do like it. It's cute. Now, lastly, we'll start talking about these jeans and then I'll pan down to give you guys a better look at the whole picture of the jeans. But they are high-waisted. They are very stretchy. They're comfortable. They very much feel like I'm wearing sweatpants, but they're not sweatpants, they're jeans. So that's always a bonus, in my opinion, is when jeans don't feel like jeans. Because sometimes they get, they get really stiff and they can be hard to walk in. And it just, you know, again, I'm reaching an age like where my hips and my knees just sometimes hurt for no reason. It's great. I love that for me. Anyways, I will say they are very flattering. But I'll pan down in just a minute. So the jeans are just maybe like a hair too long. You can tell your stylist like, hey, I have long legs or long arms or short arms. So I might see about keeping these and just getting them, if they have them in a short version, I might be able to keep these, but as is, I probably won't keep them just because they are just a smidge too long. I do have some short legs, but I will say, yeah, these are definitely, in my opinion, flares, and I'm kind of loving them. They're just so cute. Like, I kind of miss the flare look, not gonna lie. I'm excited for that to come back. Anyways, we'll go try on the next outfit. Okay, so here is the sweater. I wore it with the same jeans. She a cute sweater. The sleeves are 3/4 inch or 3/4 length, or at least I think they're trying to be, because they definitely, like, I could stretch them out and I guess make them full length, but where it naturally sits is closer to 3/4 length, but I feel like if they're actually 3/4 length, they'd be like this, unless they know I'm gonna automatically do this. So I do like this top. She cute. If like I were a stay-at-home mom, I feel like this would be the perfect stay-at-home mom, like cute top just to wear around the house, or like even running errands, or like dropping the kids off at school. However, I really don't need anything like this. Even though I'm not a stay-at-home mother, I do like this. I do wish this aesthetic for my life. It's just, I don't need this in my wardrobe right now. I have too many things similar to this. I want to keep it though. She's cute. I really don't have any obvious faults with it. It's cute. Okay, last but not least, here is the dress. I paired it with the thigh-high booties that I got at some point from another Stitch Fix. So I do like this dress. I'm a little worried it's a little too short, especially with my badonkadonk slash, oh no, that's just the bow, making it look like it's riding up in the back. So part of me is tempted to see or about getting this in a larger size. And just because I feel like maybe it'll be a little bit longer. I also feel like it feels it's like wool material. So I'm a little worried it's going to be prone to shrinking because of everything. However, she is a very cute dress. I do very much like this dress. So I suspect I'll probably try to size up. And then depending how that goes, maybe keep it. I don't know. What are your thoughts, guys? And you know, it might just be, even if I do size up, this is still just going to be naturally a little bit short because of my body type. I also feel like this would be greatly benefited by some shapewear. I do have a fall wedding I'm going to that I feel like this might be the vibe as far as guests go. I don't know. What do you guys think? Thoughts? Let's go read the invoice. Okay, let's see what kind of damage I can do with this invoice. Okay, so the dark green sweater, that's not a sweater, is $40. The jeans are $58. The floral print cami is $38. The cardigan is $44. And then this dress is $68, which this is a medium. I do think I'll probably try to size up to a large if that's possible, which it's not always possible, but sometimes it is. Anyways, the subtotal for all 5 items is $248. If I keep all 5 items, I do get a 25% discount. So if I were to keep all 5, the total would be $186. I do have a little bit of credit, not because someone used my referral code, but because I ended up returning a lot of what I got in the 70% off sale. And so that just came back as credit on my account. So if I were to keep all 5 and use my credit, then the subtotal would be $169.03. However, this is probably a good time to mention if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix out for yourself, I always leave my referral code down in the description box below. If you do, we both benefit. I believe we both get $25. So think about it. If you want to try it out, it doesn't hurt. Anyways, moving on. I guess give me your opinions on what I should keep, what I shouldn't keep. I need to return this like ASAP, like today at the post office. And I'll probably try to upload this as fast as possible, but I'm still always interested in hearing your opinions. If you've made it this far, guys, thank you so much for watching. It really means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, stay safe, stay cool out there. Happy fall, y'all!